All right, so now we're going to make them with, what is this kind of?
This is buckwheat flour.
Buckwheat flour, that's what it is. Buckwheat is more better for your body.
Yeah, it's more better.
More better. And delicious. The master pancake maker, Lynnette Rosenberg, making buckwheat pancakes. That's my French press, which I should be using. Oh, there we're going to put in almond milk because these are vegan. Over here, Bob cakes are getting made. Bob doesn't know it, but he's having a vegan pancakes today. And that's how easy it is to make up your mix. All you do is you pour a little bit of almond milk in, just the right amount, till you get to the consistency of perfect pancakeage. And there she's stirring it.
You want to grab me a plate?
Grabbing a plate for her. Uno.
I need that. I need 3 plates. How I have to do yours.
Dos. She needs 3 plates. Tres. All right, do I have to chop them up first? All right, so we're going to use some walnuts, excellent source of omega-3 fats. It's going to go in our buckwheat pancakes. Now, what about bananas and cherries? Should we get some cherries? Dark, sweet, organic cherries. No? Okay. I don't know where to put them. I got my hands. Need more hands. What about a banana? A little frozen. What about a nana? Let's see. This is a vegan freezer, as you can see. Nothing but vegan stuff. Nanas. Bananas. All right, here we have the delicious cherries. Come over here. Nanas. Frozen nana. I don't know if you can cut those, can you?
Of course. But I need my bigger knife.
No, bigger knife. Blueberries. Blueberries. Organic blueberries. Chopping it up. Making them very small. That looks good.
This is too many of these. I don't need all these.
Can you just stick them in whole? Better to chop them up?
Well, they won't, you know, they cook unevenly with the pancake. They make it like frozen in the middle.
Oh, I see. That's right. That's why you cut them.
Yeah. You gotta cut them so they just kind of blend and cook.
I think you could use them all. Super delicious.
God, dog, what the hell?
Stay stinky. Go hide somewhere.
I gotta spray this stuff.
She's like pushing against me and wanting me to give her something. Did she get a bone today?
No, and that's not her thing either.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Bone time. All right, enjoy. All right, look at this. And blueberries. Apparently it doesn't want to let us do the blueberries. All right, good. Oh, good. Done.
Come on.
Put them away. Coffee. Must have a drink.
What'd you do?
I think it went down the wrong pipe. All right, here we go. Something is happening. We're heating up the pan. She's getting the butter ready. Now that is vegan butter. It's not regular like cow butter. It's made from plants. She's making 2 plate things. And I think how we do it is, I'm going to mush the butter around. Get spread. Coffee in my lungs. Now, I think next we're going to put the batter in, right? Batter.
Yep.
Whoops. Need more almond milk. I wonder if we tried cashew milk next time. That would be good.
Yep, I'll make that. I'll put it in.
We'll have to try it. Excuse me. Here we go. Step 1.
Want to go get Chad?
No, because we're in the middle of doing this. Very important. He's going to have to wait. Right now, she sprinkles in the goodies. Sprinkles in the goodies.
Somebody's phone.
Yeah, it's Chad calling.
We're right in the middle of our cooking show, Bob. Evenly dispersing. We're not fooling around. We're making a delicious concoction. Right, baby? Check it out. Liberally sprinkled. We're not conservative. We go liberal with our pancakes. Not fooling around. Getting almost every bit that there is in there. And my honey doesn't like any of these in hers, so she puts them all in mine. Unbelievable. Look at that. What a masterpiece. Not only delicious, but nutritious. This is like a master artist creating her masterpiece. Much like Leonardo da Vinci creating the Mona Lisa. This would be the Mona pancake. There she goes, checking on Bob, making sure everything's okay. Bob, you want more? Okay. Look at that. Does that look delicious or what? It's going to look delicious once it's cooked. Here we go. Bob, you're getting more.
No more.
No, you're not getting any more, Bob. Sorry. My honey is not fooling around. She's keeping you to a strict diet of 14,000 calories a day. How's it looking? Good? Yummy.
So hard to do these. Where's my
Implements of destruction. This is the torture chamber.
Where's my big spatula? My big
I don't know.
wide one. What the hell?
We're missing a spatula. This is a big
That's
problem.
My big wide spatula.
White spatula, problem. Do you think maybe it's in the washing machine?
No. Did you throw it somewhere over there or something?
No. Honey, I don't touch your spatula. You don't let me touch it. I'm not allowed to put my fingers on it. Now the question is there ability... Oh, she needs 2 spatulas to flip it. That's the thing. Here she goes. Comes in colors everywhere. She combs her hair. Comes in colors.
My other spatula. Damn it.
All right, this is how we're going to do it. We're moving it from one pan to another. You can do it, baby. You can just slide them out. Oh, nice. I only got a little on my leg. She's a master flipper. Look at that. Push it right over. That's why you need 2 pans. Ooh, you can hear it crackling.
Don't stick.
Baby, come here.
No, it might be hot, so I was waiting it to cool off.
This is what happens when stuff falls on the floor. We have a cleaning machine. It's better than a Ramba. It's called a Beba. She comes and licks it up. All right, here we go. We're going for the second one. Going for the second flip. Is it going to happen? You think so? Oh, my baby's just going to go for it. It's going to land right on my leg. Still a little, what you call it, huh? Yeah. Gotta let it cook a little bit longer. Going for it. Big deep flip. There it goes. There it goes. Bam! And perfect. Excellent job. Got to put this in the sink. Here we are. Cooking to perfection. Oh my God, that looks delicious. Oh boy. It's going to be good.
So because you can't keep it on so long because it has to cook inside, that's why I have to microwave it.
Microwave it. Don't tell our viewers that. That's a hot thing. And then my honey's going to make a plain one for herself. All right, here we go. We're about ready to plate. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Does that look good? Or is that my imagination? Oh, look at the... Ooh, that's so delicious. What do you think, babes? Babe's like, I want some of that. Look how pretty the plates are, too. Nothing but style here at the house of Lynnette. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, my God. She hurt her boob. She fell on her boob the other day. Almost broke her rib. Maybe collapsed the lung. I'm not sure. What do you think? Huh?
I'm gonna punch your fucking face out.
Okay. First, before you hit me, I want to eat these pancakes. Just in case you break my jaw. Oh yeah, baby. You wait there long enough, something will fall.
It's so hard with all the stuff I don't even know how to make them so they are good.
They're great when you make, whatever you do, it's perfect.
Yeah, but it's just so silly how I have to do it all.
I
have
think
to use 2 pans because I can't flip it over. They would stick on the bottom of the first pan. And then they don't cook all the way through because they're too thick with stuff, so I have to microwave it.
And almost there. Oh yeah, that's it. That looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. Delicious. Right, babes?
Too hot, baby. Go away.
This would burn your dog tongue. Oh, here she comes. Hot plate, hot plate, hot plate.
What is this?
I don't know. I think it's a burger. All right, is that it? Are we ready? All right, don't tell anybody we use microwaves. That's a secret. The only way a microwave can hurt you is if you put your face right next to the window. Or you dropped it on your foot. Oh, Bob's getting up. Here we go. Honey, we're gonna need to use every single one of our pans. Every size.
This maybe won't stick.
I got Bob, come on and do the dishes with your one arm. He's excited. He wants to try the new hamburger. You want to try one of my pancakes, Bob?
No thanks.
You sure?
Yeah.
Have you seen it? You have to come look at it.
Dude, it's delicious. So delicious. As you notice, the baby is wearing very stylish Kardashian back hoofs.
Where your elbow?
Is it ready? Holy moly. There you have it. Now, a lot of people would say, what is that? 2 foot. What? They're in Positano?
You can eat one tomorrow.
Bob, what do you think?
It looks like something
It's
died.
revolting. Yeah, the insides of it.
Oh my God.
Bob, come over and take a bite.
No, thanks.
All right, here, catch me enjoying it now. Here.
Huh?
I have to do it myself because I can't get anybody to help me with this shit
I know.
around here. They're just like, they're
Not
ridiculous.
useless.
Here it is. Look, delicious. Mmm. Oh,
When you're finished making that,
too hot.
we probably should do my.
Yeah, I know. I was going
Yeah.
to.
I'll leave this out for another second. Oh my God, is that
But lift
tight?
it up and down.
Everybody here is
Oh, I've
loving
been
these.
doing that.
Try to do it yourself.
It needs a little help though.
Yeah.
From the pain, it needs a little help. I mean, I can do this all day long.
Yeah.
I just don't want to pull on this. I
Yeah.
don't want to mess
And
this
you're not.
up.
And you're not.
Ah.
You want to taste? This is a plain buckwheat without it. I don't like
Yeah.
it. It's blah. You want to
No.
taste it?
No,
So you
thanks.
have to. Just
Bob,
a
you
little
should
taste.
try new things.
Just a little taste. I don't like it. I mean, I would eat it. I don't
And
like
you're
it.
saying, taste it, taste it.
Give Bob a taste.
Huh. It's just kind of blah tasting.
What do you think?
It's not bad. It's just not good as a pancake,
No, it's not.
right?
It's not bad.
It's got some substance to it.
Hair
like
looks
a
good today.
heaviness to it.
And that's what
This
my
is-
favorite. What's his name? Restaurant has. It has a little
Oh.
heaviness to
Yeah,
it.
well, it's not buckwheat, I can guarantee.
No.
But this is way better for you than pancakes.
Oh yeah.
So if you like it, you
Not
like
that-
it?
I'd have to have it saturated with
Well,
butter.
and I haven't had any, I had to put butter on it, and
Yeah.
it would be probably be fine.
Yeah, I probably could eat that.
See? See?
What do you think, baby? Bob, baby says, I'll eat it. I don't give a shit what it is. Drop it on the floor. You'll find out how fast I'll eat it.